In this video, I'll be showing you how to check your NECO 2025 results using your own personal mobile phone. I mean, without going to cyber cafe. I will show you how to print it and also how to check it yourself. After checking it, then you're going to print it as PDF on your phone. So how will you go about it? Go to any search engine on your phone, your Opera Mini, your Chrome. So this is my Chrome. Let me open it. So as you can see, this is my Chrome. So what are you going to search? You are going to search NECO website, and that is results. Now look at this thing is displaying here. The first one has results.neco.gov.ng 2025. The second one has results.neco.gov.ng 2025. Please ensure to click on results and not results. Click on the one that has S, simply because last 2 years, the portal NECO used to use was initially results. I mean the one that did not have S. So but last year they changed it to results, the one that has S. So if you click on these results, the one that does not have S, so it's going to tell you 404, like 404 website not available. But if you click on results.neco.gov.ng, that means you actually want to check your NECO 2025 result. So listen to my instruction very well. Click on the one that has results S. You may not put 2025, automatically it will direct you to NECO website. So let me click on the one that has results, that has S. Please, that information is very important for you to do. So I've clicked on it, then it's loading. Now let me zoom this. So look at this now. You can see this is NECO website. As you can see it now, this says HTTPS results. It has S. Very good. So let me click on this one. Now this is NECO official website where you can check your result. So do well to fill this page very well. Now let me show you what to fill. Ensure to watch this video to the end. Please share this video to your friends, to your classmates, to those that wrote NECO 2025, because this video is actually going to help them. And for parents, and if you have siblings who want to write NECO 2026 or Y 2026 or JAMB 2026, we are conducting a virtual tutorial which we are going to be starting around October, November. So it's going to be online. We're using Google Meet, Zoom to teach, and our teaching is very effective and very intensive. Remember that NECO and WAEC next year is going to be purely CBT. So for NECO, WAEC and JAMB tutorial, please, online tutorial, we are conducting it. Do well to text me on WhatsApp using our WhatsApp number displayed on your screen. Thank you so much. Now let's continue. So the first thing to do is to fill your examination year. As you can see it here, the examination year. So let me click on this. The examination year says that 2021, 2025. So let me select 2025. We have till, it started from 2020. As you can see it here, 2020, but you want to check 2025. So let me select 2025. So I've selected 2025. Then what about the rest? Now looking at this place, I have examination type. So let me click on it. Now look at examination type. We have how many? We have I think 5. We have 5. We have SSC internal, SSC external, we have BC, we have NCEE, and we have gifted. Now what does that mean? The SSC internal simply means that NECO students who wrote NECO 2025 and they wore school uniform. So why this external is known as NECO GCE? So I'm very sure that the one you want to check is the one that has this internal, meaning that the one that you wrote 2025 wearing school uniform. So click on this SSC external, internal. Click on SSC internal. See what I clicked? I clicked on SSC internal because you are checking NECO 2025 and you wore school uniform to write the exam. So now I've clicked on it. Then the next thing is to click on token. Now this token is 12-digit number. Now look at it here. It's something like this. Though you do not have your token, but some people used to call this token scratch card. Anything you call it. For WAEC, WAEC call it scratch card. For NECO call it token. During WAEC time, WAEC gave you the scratch card. It is included in your WAEC ID card, but NECO did not give you anything, meaning that you need to purchase it from somebody who is selling. And we are selling. Please, we are selling NECO token in bulk and in units. If you want to buy one for yourself just to check your result, come to our WhatsApp to come and purchase it. The account number will be displaying on the screen. See the account number here is the one displaying on your screen. So do well to make your payment. We are selling our token at the rate of 2,200 naira per one. So if you are buying one, is this 2,200 naira. What you have to do is that just pay into the account number displaying on this screen, then message us on WhatsApp using the WhatsApp number displaying on your screen, then send us the receipt of your payment, on WhatsApp. And even don't bother to greet us. Once you send the receipt, then we are going to send you the token immediately, 2,200 naira for one. And if you are a stakeholder or if you are a teacher that you want to check for a lot of students and you want to buy like 5 and above, so there will be a discount for you, a very good discount to be given to you. We are selling it in bulk, like in bulk and in units. So that is the token. So enter the token we'll send to you on WhatsApp after you have paid. Enter it here. Then your registration number is also known as your examination number. That is what you used to write. Your registration number is also your examination number. That is what you used to write down whenever you are writing your exam. So it's something like this. It is 10 digits number with 2 alphabets, as you can see it here. So something like this. So 10 digits number with what? With 2 alphabets. So ensure to type it here very well correctly. So after that, what are you going to do? Now, you are going to click on check results. You will click on check results. So once you click on check results, your result is going to appear here on your screen. Then after appearing, you can firstly screenshot it. After screenshotting it, below the result, you will see prints. So once you click on print, then it's going to take you to how you are going to save it as PDF on your phone. Very simple. Then once you have it on your phone, you can just easily print it out using printer as hard copy, and also ensure to upload your result to your JAMB portal for those who want to use NECO for their admission this year. Thank you so much. If this video is helpful to you, please do well to share it to your friends, to your classmates, or to any person you know that wrote NECO 2025. I wish you best of luck in your exam, and I love you so much. Bye.